So today we're having 2 Girl Scout troops come to our office and learn more about computers and earn their computer badge.
As a father of 2 daughters, what better way to start to introduce girls into technology than to have them here to work with us, to see what it's like to work at a technology company, do work that has been stereotypically male-driven for a long time.
Hi, brownies! Hi! We're gonna show you what to do, okay? And then you're gonna do it yourself, and you're gonna touch everything, okay? It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, you guys ready?
We put together a computer and we sent an email and we were printing with the computer. Hi. There's so many cool things you can learn about computers. There's so many different parts that you can learn about. There's the software, and then there's the files, the cloud. There's all these different stuff that make a computer.
It's really cool to foster this in these young girls and teach them that there's a world of opportunity available for them. They can grow as much as they want to.
They're going to be teaching us in a few short years, but we're trying to at least lay some groundwork. We'll be giving them honorary certificates that they're computer experts, and it'll have the Magnitech logo on it, and I think that's really cool. Here, they're going to take that torch and they're going to take off, and we're going to be left in the dust.